Well, welcome back to Vintage Farmhouse Antiques and our YouTube channel demonstrating video shorts for you, really showing you the china that's being listed on the website, just to give you a feel for the size and condition, and we run over any condition notes that may be relevant to helping you with your purchase. This is a Colclough Harlequin Ballet cake plate, made probably, well, we know when this was made because it predates the Ridgeway period of Colclough ownership, post-war, so 1940s through to 1954 is the period of manufacture of this particular piece on that particular china mark. This is the pink ground, lovely, subtle, creamy pink Harlequin Ballet cake or sandwich serving plate. Nice little bit of moulding here on the handles. If I just show you this, all that gilt on these swirls is picking up the relief that's moulded into this little eared handle that sticks out on either side. There is a bit of wear on the gilt lineage that comes around the central portion of this cake plate. It's not a well as such. It does go down the cake surface plate, as you can see on that moulding. This isn't as bright as we'd really like it to be. In absolute mint condition, that would be without any scratching or marks on. That usually has occurred not from knives being dragged across it, but from plates being stacked on it when it's been in storage and just moved or rattled as it's being carried around. It tends to give these very fine little sort of scratching effects in the actual gilt. But beyond that, the actual rims on this one are in fine condition and the gilt very nicely conserved. So no other condition warnings apart from that modicum of wear on the central large or wide band of gilt on this particular plate. We have got other pieces in this pattern also available from the same era. Harlequin Ballet usually proves very, very popular when we do get it on catalogue. Because it mixes and matches on all the different colourways that they manufactured this china in. So the greens, the blues, the pinks. There's a couple of variations on the pink. There's a sort of orangey pink and then this buttermilky creamy pink version. And the blue, I think, was done in two different versions, a very powdery blue and then a darker blue. But they're all on the pastel theme, and the idea being that they could be mixed and matched on the table, and they do so absolutely beautifully. So nice period, 1940s through to 1954, Colclough Harlequin Ballet in the pastel powder pink cake plate, all the measurements, pricings and design, everything you'd need to know to help you in your decision as to whether you'd like to purchase this particular plates on our website listing, and there's a link below which will take you directly there. Thanks for watching.